Hello, boys and girls. This is the back side of Fluency 2, and this again is a review of the concepts that we've been learning in this last module. So for number 7, the directions say draw the minute hand so that the clock shows the time written above it. So for letter A, the time you need to have on your clock should be 4:30. So here they drew the hour hand. Now you're going to take your pencil and draw the minute hand to make this clock read 4:30. For letter B, you need to make this clock say 5 o'clock. So they drew the hour hand, so now you need to take your pencil and draw the minute hand to make this clock show 5 o'clock. Letter C, draw one line to make this rectangle into 2 squares that are the same size. So take your pencil and draw a line somewhere in this rectangle to make 2 squares that are the same size. Letter D. Circle the words that make the sentence true. One square makes up blank of the rectangle above. So looking at this rectangle, one of the squares that you created makes up 1/2 of the rectangle above or 1/4 of the rectangle above. So you're going to circle, does one square make up 1/2 of the rectangle above? Or circle, one square makes up 1/4 of the rectangle above. Letter E, color 1/2 of the rectangle. What shapes were used to make the rectangle? So step 1, you're going to color 1/2 of this rectangle. Color 1/2 of the rectangle. Then over here on the line, what shape or shapes were used to make this rectangle? So looking at this rectangle, write the name of the shapes that you see that were used to make that rectangle. Letter F. Color 1/4 of the rectangle. What shapes were used to make the rectangle? So first thing you're going to do, take a crayon and color in 1/4 of this rectangle. 1/4. Then on the line, you're going to write the name of the shape that was used to make this big rectangle. So look at the smaller shapes inside that big rectangle and write the name of the smaller shapes that were within that big rectangle.